over the 20th century, we developed many technological advances in materials that were, we thought, moving things forward at the time, but we've now realized that a lot of the ingredients of these petrochemicals and other chemicals that are not healthy for humans or our environment, once they're there, and they're going to endure in that building for many years to come, and they're going to probably endure in a landfill somewhere, contaminating earth, water, etc. So making choices up front is really important, not only for today's health, but far into the future.
I think materials are actually sort of our superpower, right? Energy tends to lead the sustainability conversation for important reasons, but material selection has impacts that are often hidden, whether those are to supply chain or to ecosystems or to the health of the climate or ourselves, and we can make choices that change those outcomes on a day-to-day basis.
Thinking about both the responsibilities that we have as architects and designers and specifiers and managers, and that every choice that we make for our projects, our designs, those are impactful choices, right? And we have a big responsibility. We choose hundreds of thousands of products and building materials every time we make a new building.
A lot of times when I hear pushback on, well, I don't have time to think about sustainability, or we have all these other variables that we need to think and I can't throw another one into the mix. You're making a choice regardless of whether you're thinking about it or not, and I think we need to be more aware of that as a society.
You know, we have a duty as a profession to really consider the both short-term, the effects and health effects on occupants within a building, and the long-term effects on the production and manufacturing of materials throughout its lifespan. And so it's really important to be thinking about that through that selection process.
It's really interesting. The things that are right in front of you are the ones you usually choose. So making those, it's sort of like putting fruits and vegetables in your refrigerator. You're more likely to eat healthy if your refrigerator is full of healthy food and not, the bad snacks. So to me, it's the same with our designers and architects.
It's okay to start, but start somewhere. And the Materials Pledge, offers you a way to structure that conversation that is in line with where the industry is moving.
I don't think this is an easy problem for us to solve, but if we don't jump in and start to try to track our efforts and make progress towards our goals around materials, we're never going to get there. So just because it's a big, hairy problem doesn't mean we shouldn't try to start to solve it.